proceedings by Shri S.M. Acharya, Chief Executive, GEF Engineering.
Celebrating Golden Jubilee, what does it mean? What's the meaning of it? You know, friends, as you all know, engineering students, as the earth rotates through one axis, it takes 24 hours, day and night you get. The earth follow orbits around the sun, and it takes 1 year. Now, we are all MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology is in the earth. The earth orbits around the sun. 50 times this your institute, MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, has gone around the sun. That's why you are all. That's why you are all celebrating the Golden Jubilee celebration. My hearty congratulations, all of you friends. I would like to greet His Excellency Shri Hansraj. Can you hear me, all of you? Yes. Last row. Today I am indeed delighted to participate in the inauguration of the Golden Jubilee celebration of MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology in this beautiful environment of youth and potential for creativity. My greetings to the students, faculty members, alumni, staff and distinguished guests assembled here during this historic occasion. I am very happy the MSRIT has grown into an institution having 23 programs in engineering and management with an annual intake of 1,400 students, apart from students joining for PhD program. During the last 50 years, MSRIT would have generated more than 35,000 engineers and technologists who are deployed in various fields in India and abroad. I congratulate the pioneers, both present and past, who have laid the robust education system in the MSRIT for generating quality professionals needed for national development mission. Today, I would like to share a few thoughts on this great occasion of Golden Jubilee of your institution. Today I would like to share a few thoughts on breaking the barrier of impossibilities. Breaking the barrier of impossibilities. Breaking the barrier of the impossibilities. That's the talk next 15 minutes I'm going to talk to you, friends. Now it is said, first of all I am going to say how you can be unique. Every young engineer, when you graduate from here, you must go out of this campus as a unique person. It is said, history has proven, those who dare to imagine the impossible are the ones who break all human limitations. In every field of human endeavor, whether it's science, medicine, sports, the arts or technology, the names of the people who imagined the impossible and achieved are engraved in our history. By breaking the limits of their imagination, they changed the world. Of course, it is true in India. Sir C.V. Raman, who gave the theory on inelastic scattering of photon in light, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai in evolving vision for space research, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan in bringing to the nation first green revolution, and Dr. Varghese Kurian in the white revolution, Jamshedji Tata for pioneering the steel manufacturing and seeding the science institution like Indians of Science have broken the barriers. All this, what I read, have broken their barriers of impossibilities. That's why we are all in a beautiful situation. Dear young friends, the question is, are you willing to be the unique personality? Are you willing to be the unique personality? Dear friends, just look up what you see. Look up what you see. All sides what you see. What you see, the light, the electric bulb, immediately our thoughts will go to Thomas Alva Edison. Some of you know. Thomas Alva Edison, for his unique contribution toward the invention of electric bulb and his electrical lighting system. When you hear the sound of aircrafts over your house every day, whom do you think of?
Wright window.
Wright brothers proved that man would fly, of course, at heavy risk. Now friends, every one of you have one or two mobile phones.
Yes.
My friends who have come with me, they have got two mobile phones each one. And home also. Don't keep forever on the public road, going only where others have gone. Leave the beaten track occasionally and dive into the woods. You'll be certain to find something you have never seen before. It will be a little thing, but do not ignore it. You follow it up, explore all around it, and one discovery will lead to another, and before you know, you will have something worth thinking about, this Alexander Graham Bell said. Now friends, so far you have come across 4 unique people. Do you know an Indian mathematician who did not have formal higher education and failed in intermediate except mathematics, had inaccessible spirit and love for mathematics, which took him to contribute to the treasure house of mathematical research, some of which is still under serious study and engaging all available world mathematicians' efforts to establish formal proofs. He was a unique Indian genius. Can you think of? Right, yes, Srinivasa Ramanujan. In fact, it is not an exaggeration to say that Professor Hardy, who discovered great mathematician for this world, that Srinivasa Ramanujan. I believe, like Srinivasa Ramanujan discovered by a British fellow, a port officer in Madras, he discovered him, reported him for Hardy, professor, then he became a great mathematician of the world. Ramaya Institute, the MS Ramaya Institute of Technology, should we do another pioneering work on spotting great minds and nurturing them and give to India, give to the world. Friends, so far we have studied those who walked into unexplored paths and strive to be unique and are remembered for their contribution to humankind. Inventions, hear me carefully, inventions and discoveries have emanated from creative minds that have been constantly working and imagining the outcome in the mind. With the imaging and constant effort, all the forces of the universe work for that inspired mind, thereby leading to invention and discoveries. The question is for young people, the question is, are you willing to become a unique personality? Are you willing to be a unique personality? How many of you? How many of you want to become unique personality? That's it. Okay, most of you. Now, let me share an experience. Okay, most of you. Now, let me share an experience. I have so far met 12 million youth in your age and below. 12 million youth in India. In a decade's time, what I learned, every youth wants to be unique, that is you. But the world around you, doing its best day and night to make you just everybody else. Question is, whether you want to be everybody else or whether you want to be unique. I'm glad you want to be unique you. Now, how do you become a unique you? The challenge, my young friends, is that you have to fight the hardest battle. You have to fight. The hardest battle which any human being can ever imagine to fight. And never stop fighting until you arrive at your destined place. That is the unique you. It's not easy to arrive at unique you. Friends, what will be your tools to fight that battle, not the gun? There are 4 criteria. They are proven criteria by the unique people. The unique people have 4 criteria. They are building a unique personality. What are they? They have a great aim in life. Unique personality, they never have a small aim. Small aim is a crime. So they have a great aim. And second one, continuously you have to acquire the knowledge. Acquire the knowledge from great books, great human beings, great teachers, and even good internet. And then, of course, you have to sweat. Even Bangalore, you have to sweat and sweat. And the last one, the perseverance to realize great achievement. Anything you do, whatever, whether in politics, whether in science, whether it's technology, or teaching, or research, any work you do, there will be some problem. But problem should not become your captain. You should become the captain of the problem, defeat the problem, and succeed. That's the 4th point.